trade today. Sanjiv Bhasin is joining us now. Sanjiv, good morning. Sanjiv, I'd like to start our chat with a stock from the wires and cable side, Kabel. Got massive, it has actually made decent money for investors since listing, since short period of time that it's been listed. But this space is witnessing a lot of action. In today's block, if the stock comes down, would you recommend looking at it?
Yeah, good morning, Ajay. It depends on your horizon and your participation. We've been very bullish on Finolex Cable that has been richly rewarded. We liked the other stock which fell for whatever reason. I'm forgetting the name.
Polycab, right?
But yes,
Polycab.
but yes,
Polycab.
Polycab. Yeah, so that is in our portfolio. So I think these are all very good plays on the expansion of the Capex and the telecom and so on. And cable network is growing very, very rapidly. So we are very, very optimistic on this space. But like I said, stocks have already run up far in excess of valuation. You have to take it with a pinch of salt that you are entering at close to 23,000 and a big event and valuations not in your favor. But the longer term trend remains very, very bullish on Capex and cable related stocks.
Point taken. Mr. Bhasin, do you track Samil closely, the erstwhile Motherson Sumi? Because the earnings were very strong yesterday and seems like that the stock is likely to see upgrades from brokerages today.
Yes, good morning, Anisha. That's my top pick from 65, 68. I track it very actively and it has doubled and it will go to 200. Unquestionably, everyone talked about how Mr. Sehgal was expanding at a time when the industry was doing weak, but he expanded his reach across the world, even in Asia, Europe, and the demerger of the wiring business from this left a lot of room on comfort. They are one of the biggest players in the upholstery of aircraft, and now the underlying business is doing extremely well. Plus diversification of assets across geographies. As a disclosure, we have been very, very bullish. The first people 65, 68, 70. Then on 95, we reiterated a buy and touchwood richly rewarded. OEMs have been going through the roof, and this is just starting its journey.
The other stock in focus is Eureka Forbes. After a solid set of numbers, in fact a turnaround quarter, the stock didn't see a lot of action yesterday because broader markets were under pressure. Today Nomura has come out with a big upgrade on Eureka Forbes. Again, the case of a great management, good reputation. Stock hasn't done much. Any thoughts on Eureka Forbes? Mr. Pota's magic is now visible in the numbers, but will it be visible in the stock price as well, Sanjeev?
No, Ajay, I don't track that stock,
Okay.
but I'll give you a similar stock which I think is grossly undervalued and can be an outperformer. But I am not tracking Eureka Forbes. I can give you another name which I think will richly reward investors if you want.
Go ahead.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.